Hi, Ashley here, founder of Oak & Ash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the BEKA SG-20 Original Rigid Heddle Loom. It comes in a 20-inch and a 24-inch, and this is the 20-inch width. And what's included is a pickup stick and 2 shuttles, are the weaving tools, 1 crochet hook, a set of Heddle blocks, the hardware pack with 2 of these half moon shapes. These are the brakes, and there's a few washers and 2 screws. And it also comes with 4 turn knobs. These will be on each corner of the loom, and they help control, on the back side they help control the tension, and on the front side they will help control making you able to advance the warp. Comes with 1 heddle, and this is a 10 dent heddle, meaning there are 10 yarns per inch. To begin assembling the SG loom, you want to get all your pieces sorted out. You've got 2 side beams. These are the side pieces. You want to have the shed blocks towards the inside. It's going to go like this, but while we put it together, it'll be easier to just lay them flat like this. And then you have a warp beam and a cloth beam. The warp beam is on the back side. You want the gears on the right, and then the teeth knobs facing out. And then the cloth beam is in the front, same idea, gear on the right, teeth facing out. Then you'll take these 2 half moon pieces, will help work as brakes. And so you get 1 half moon and 1 screw, and they go into the smaller hole. Screw it all the way down, but not necessarily super tight because you want this to still be able to move. So these 2 half moon shaped gears correspond with the gear on the beam. So you're only going to be screwing these in on the right side of the loom, front and the back. So then the next step, insert these in and make sure that this is turned up so it's out of the way. And then you add a knob and a washer to each corner, and you want to put the washer on first, and then you make sure that this side is out. Screws on like that. Put these on each corner of the loom. So I just want to point out a couple things about these half moon shapes, the brakes and how they're used. And so when you're advancing the warp, you want to loosen the knob on the side so that you can turn this. But then when you're ready to tighten them up, you can use this little brake depending on how it will fit into your notch, and it'll stop it from turning so that you can tighten these. And you'll use them on the front and the back. So it comes with 1 heddle and a set of heddle blocks, and the heddle stands in the blocks, and the blocks are only used during the warping process to help hold this up. So then once you get all your yarn on, this will stay with just having the yarn through it, and you'll take these away. As you're weaving, you can use this to prop this up, so that's on your up shed, and then you just release it down, and that's your down shed. So this is how you assemble the SG loom. It's 4 knobs and a couple screws, and then you're all set for the warping process.